It's your boy Easy. Hey, hey. Music official. Hey. Music so sensual. Zagadat.
All right, so we're gonna take our big box of chandelier here that I got from Home Depot, and we're gonna empty out all the contents. And off the bat, you get so many random boxes that are not mentioned. But the first thing that is very prominent is the arms, the base of the chandelier that I'm holding, which is connected to the middle part. Right here you can see that's the base, and it comes with two big boxes, that one big box, another box, and two small boxes that I'm guessing hold those medallions, little diamond things in them. Now we're going to just take out all the plastic around. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna empty out the box and then I'm gonna take the plastic out of the middle of the base of the chandelier, and I am going to try to spread open the arms. So that's the chandelier basically, and I'm gonna spread open the arms to kind of make it as big as, however big I want the chandelier to be. This was actually very hard because this is real metal, and it was very tough to actually spread it open like that. It's a very well made chandelier for the price, honestly. I will link the link to this chandelier in the Dropbox section, whatever. So now I'm going to take the middle part, which is connected by a wire, and I'm going to screw that in the middle to create, like the whole, I guess, the skeleton of the chandelier. Now I'm just screwing it in there, and that's how it looks like when you have put it together. Yay! Now I'm going to take the little plates that come with it. I call it the little plates. They hold the bulbs, and I'm going to put them on there. I'm going to speed this part up because there's just so many things. And those came in one of the boxes. These are very heavy glasses, by the way. This is a very well made chandelier. I have nothing but positive things to say about this. Okay, now that we have that done, I'm going to tilt to the chandelier, and I'm going to use these little medallion things, and I'm going to put them on there. So this is the part where I suggest you really follow the instructions, because I didn't, and I messed up so many times because those little diamond stud things, they come with different sizes. So I did not know that, and I just kept putting them randomly. Now I'm going to spread open the top and put the little diamond things on them. So the top part actually comes, you put the medallions that have two little things on them. And this is one of the arms. I'm going to hook one of the smallest, what is that thing's called? They're called medallions. I don't know what they're called. I'll just keep calling them medallions. I am so sorry. And now I'm just going to put one. This is the one with two. Yeah, no, it's one of the smaller ones. I'm going to put it at the bottom of the arms. All right. And now I'm going to take one that is the two of them, and I'm going to put it on one of the hooks. It's very, very important to follow instructions here, or otherwise you're going to mess up. You're just going to add random ones to places it doesn't go, and it's just going to look odd. And I'm going to put one of the big ones at the bottom of the chandelier, the stomach of it, the base of it. Now I'm just going to go take the string ones. I honestly don't know what these things are called. And I'm going to connect it to the middle part, and then bring it down to one of the arms to create the whole chandelier effect, all bougie, cute, dangling things everywhere. And you get 6 of these. Look at that. They're already so pretty. I love it. I'm just gonna basically wing it and connect them anywhere. Please follow instructions. Now we're just gonna move it to the bed because my camera died, and also the floor had terrible lighting. Now here I'm just going to take the wire that the chandelier actually came with and put it through this circular thing. This is what you basically put the hook on and the chains in. And since I'm gonna do this as a swag, I bought a swag kit to go with it, and I'm gonna attach it together. Then I'm gonna put it on the ceiling, and connect it to a socket. And that's the swag kit. It comes with this cord that has the switch on, as you can see, and it comes with a white chain. This is a very nice swag kit also. I think it was about $7. So there's the cord that you're going to attach and wire the chandelier wires with, and it comes with this two little hooks to uphold the chains in the ceiling, and this wire twister, cable twisters, when you're connecting the two chandelier to the chandelier wire with the swag wire together. Now I'm just gonna take the chandelier wire and basically weave it in its own chain that it came with. So the chandelier came with a silver chain, and that's just kind of like what I'm putting it through. Meanwhile, I'm going to do the same thing with a swag one. I'm going to weave the cord that it came with into its own chain, and then I'm going to meet in the middle and connect the two, if that makes sense. See, now I did that, and I'm going to take the cable twisters and I'm going to attach one cord from one side of the wire of the chandelier with the swag wire and twist it together to create that currency flow. These cable twisters are the best. And once you're done with this step, honestly, you're all done. You can hang up your chandelier on the wall, on the ceiling. Just find like a hard, a stud, and put it up on the ceiling. Thank you so much for watching this far, and you guys have a great day.
No be Caribbean girl, your body wind up.